You're a beautiful kitty cat, and I love you, yeah, I love you. Your name is Donte, and you're fat, but I love you, yeah, I love you. Wah-ya, ha-cha. You like that, Big? You like my song? That's the end. I love you. It's my love song for Donte. What do you say? Oh, what's that mean? What do you want? Do you want Mom to feed? Are you saying feed, Mom? Feed, feed? Yeah, but you're being so polite. But he says, now, please. Now, please. He's concerned that Dolly is closer to the bowl. He wants it now. Donte, Donte, Donte. What's a kitty cat doing? Cat, oh my goodness, I'm gonna cry. He's so sweet. He's so sweet. Such a good boy. He's the best thing that's ever happened to me. My sweetheart. You're an easy going. So this is what he looks like at his post. Kind of anxiously looking around, wondering if I am going to feed. I'm not sure if you can see the expression, but he is pretty annoyed with me right now. Donte, Donte, you want Mom to feed? Yeah, he said he does. He blinked his eyes. Yes, I do.